Food Automobile Company Limited. Today I introduce our aluminum tank trailer to you. This one is 45,000 liters and the tank body is aluminum material, but the trailer chassis is carbon steel material. This kitty, we have 2 or 3.5 inch for your choice. It's suitable for your truck head. This one is our discharge valve box. It's up and down, open and close way. You can see it is a new design. This one is 7 compartments. We can design different compartments according to your demand. Please look at the axles. This one is L1 brand, but we have different brands such as BPW or FUA brand. About the tires, we have double tire or single tires for your different demand. Look at the suspension. We have airbag or spring. This one is airbag, and the first axle can be lifted. If you are interested in our fuel tank trailer, welcome to contact with me. Thank you.